Okay, so the S95D wins with guaranteed QD OLED quality across all its sizes. The S90D's glossy screen boosts contrast, the S95D's matte finish fights glare. It's a tie, with both offering an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate for gaming. The S95D wins with brighter highlights for more impactful HDR. As expected from OLED, both deliver infinite contrast and perfect blacks. The S90D offers more sizes, providing greater flexibility for your space. The S90D's glossy screen maintains deeper blacks in bright rooms. The S95D screen offers exceptional glare reduction for comfortable viewing. Choose the S90D for raw contrast or the S95D for eliminating reflections. The S95D achieves a wider color volume for more vibrant, lifelike images. Both deliver excellent viewing angles, perfect for group watching. The S95D has a slightly faster response time for maximum motion clarity. Stutter on 24 FPS content is nearly identical on both, a common OLED trait. For competitive gaming, both are tied with incredibly low input lag. At 120 Hz, input lag is again a virtual tie, ensuring a responsive feel. Both models fully support all major VRR formats for tear-free gaming. It's a tie, with both using the same NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor for enhanced visuals. The S95D's powerful 70-watt 4.2.2 channel system offers more immersive audio. The S95D digs deeper, providing more powerful bass without a subwoofer. For a louder experience, the S95D reaches a higher maximum volume. It's a draw, as neither model supports DTS audio pass-through. The S95D's One Connect box allows for a much cleaner, more accessible setup. Wireless connectivity is a tie, with both featuring Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.2. Both are ready for next-gen devices with 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Neither TV includes a next-gen TV tuner for 4K over-the-air broadcasts. The S90D wins for legacy audio support with its dedicated headphone jack. The S95D's ultra-thin design is a clear win for modern aesthetics. They use different VESA patterns, so check your wall mount for compatibility. The S95D's premium metal stand gives it the edge in build quality. Both models are tied, running the latest Tizen OS for a unified experience. It's a tie, with each including a convenient solar charging remote. The S90D is more energy efficient, consuming less power on average. The S90D is also the more efficient choice, using less power at its peak. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.